Ever pondered about raw food diets? Wondered if munching on uncooked veggies and fruits could be the secret to good health? A raw food diet primarily includes uncooked fruits, vegetables, legumes, and seeds. Some even incorporate raw eggs, but that's not a universal choice. The idea behind this diet is simple and compelling. It's believed that cooking can degrade the nutritional value of food, reducing the benefits we derive from them. Consequently, the raw food diet is gaining momentum, with its proponents advocating for the preservation of nutrients in their natural uncooked state. Now, it's important to note that this isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Critics argue that it may not provide a complete nutritional profile, and it's certainly not recommended for everyone. But one thing is clear: the raw food diet is a fascinating concept that's stirring up the world of nutrition. The raw food diet has its believers and critics, but remember, balance is the key. Raw food diets are no magic potion, they have their pros and cons. The primary upside of such a diet is the preservation of crucial nutrients and enzymes, often destroyed by cooking. This makes raw food potentially more nutrient-dense, helping to boost immunity and decrease fatigue levels. Yet these diets are not without their drawbacks. They may lead to nutrient deficiencies, particularly of vitamins D and B12, B6, and essential minerals like zinc, protein, and iron. This is due to the absence of certain food groups that, while cooked, are vital sources of these nutrients. Moreover, raw food diets may not be suitable for everyone. Pregnant women and growing children, for instance, require a higher calorie intake than what raw food diets typically provide. So while raw food diets have their merits, they also carry risks if not well balanced. Remember, the goal is to nourish your body, not deprive it. So how nutritious are raw food diets really? Well, one of the key aspects of nutrition that raw food diets preserve is enzymes. Enzymes like amylase and protease play an integral part in our daily bodily functions, boosting immunity and reducing fatigue. Unfortunately, many of these beneficial enzymes are destroyed during the cooking process. That said, it's essential to understand that a wholesome diet requires balance and variety. While raw foods offer many benefits, they may not provide all the necessary nutrients. This is where the 80-20 rule comes in handy. Aim for a diet where 80% is raw, and the remaining 20% includes cooked whole grains and proteins. This way, you can enjoy the benefits of raw food while ensuring you're not missing out on any crucial vitamins or minerals. Raw food diets can be a part of a healthy lifestyle, but remember, it's all about balance. Do your homework, listen to your body, and eat wisely.